the University of Manchester has 25 Nobel Prize winners to its name, and we're part of the prestigious Russell Group of Universities, which are known for excellence in research. We're 6th in the UK and 9th in Europe. All our programs are very suitable and help you balance your personal and professional commitments. And as for teachers, we very well understand that you keep really busy, so we do understand that flexibility is a very important aspect of this program.
The question I always ask myself is, how do we teachers and educational leaders start bringing this into our teaching and to our students and essentially to the world? Never forget the leadership role that you have in the international space, because the children that you teach are more empowered and they will go on to be more influential.
I'm currently a student at the University of Manchester, and ever since I've started, we've learned a lot of vital information that will really helpful for us.
I'm so excited about whatever we learned today in the workshop, and what was amazing about this workshop, it is interactive workshop. It's not only just listening to an instructor, but here we have some interactive activities here.
Hi, my name's Gardner-McTaggart. So I gave the session today about climate change and you as the educational leader. And it's been extraordinarily interesting being here, but also connecting with local teachers and educators in this area and joining up the dots between climate change, education, the youth, and our futures.
Hello, my name's Alex.
Hello, my name's Janda.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Excellent. Thank you. Right. Give a round of applause, everyone.
I'd also like to add a particular and heartfelt thank you to all of you who came to the session. I really appreciated your time. Your group work was really quite moving at times and interesting. I know I'm a hard taskmaster, but you were a great group to work with. And please come back again and we can do it all over again. Thank you.